After major storms in New Orleans, many homeowners believe that once the visible water is gone, the danger has passed. But one of the biggest problems after storm damage is often hidden mold. Mold doesn't always appear right away. In many cases, it begins growing behind walls, under flooring, inside insulation, or in air conditioning systems where homeowners cannot easily see it. Because New Orleans has such high humidity, moisture trapped inside a home after a storm can create the perfect environment for rapid mold growth. One of the most common warning signs is a musty or damp odor that doesn't go away. You may also notice discoloration on walls or ceilings, peeling paint, warped flooring, or increased allergy symptoms inside the home. Candace Sherwood recently shared her experience with Big Easy Environmental Services. They were very professional, helpful, and friendly. They were also in and out so quickly. They are affordable and very thorough. Hidden mold can spread quietly for weeks or even months after storm damage. During that time, mold spores may circulate through the air and affect indoor air quality throughout the property. Many homeowners try to handle the problem themselves, but surface cleaning often does not address mold hidden inside building materials. Without proper moisture detection and remediation, the mold may continue spreading behind the scenes. Professional mold remediation focuses on locating hidden moisture, identifying contaminated areas, safely removing damaged materials when necessary, and helping restore healthier indoor air quality. Joya had this to say about working with Todd at Big Easy Environmental Services. Todd is fantastic. He's very knowledgeable, friendly, and helpful. After hurricanes and severe storms in New Orleans, it's important to understand that mold problems are not always visible immediately. If you suspect hidden mold after storm damage, Big Easy Environmental provides professional mold remediation and environmental testing services throughout New Orleans and surrounding areas.